Hello, welcome back to Love Story with Technology. I am Atish. Today we learn about AWS. AWS Amazon Web Services, where we can create VM instance, store your database. So let's begin with video. So first, we just need to understand what is the AWS stand for. What is AWS? AWS, it's Amazon Web Services. Using AWS, you can create VMs, store your databases inside the VM on cloud platform. First, we need to log in AWS tenant. So simply you just open Google Chrome and type aws.amazon.com/console/enter. Click sign in. Then click on sign in using root user email ID. Enter your root user email ID. Then need to enter password. Enter MFA code using authenticator. Use your phone to take MFA code. Submit. Today we see how to create a virtual machine using AWS. So here you can see the EC2. This is a dashboard. So we click on EC2. Here you can see the complete AWS services available here. You can create VMs, storage disk, snapshot, file names. On left side you can see here you can create the security groups and auto scaling. Everything is here. So need to click on launch instance. Enter your instance name. Choose operating system for your VM. So I'm choosing Microsoft. Here is the OS version. So I choose this one, Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Then here you can see the instance type. So we choose this T2 micro. Move to the next. Here we need to create a key pair to log in virtual machine. Select private key format PEM. PEPL test. I put same name as this. Create key pair. Save it. Download complete. Move to next. Here you can configure network setting, but we are using default one like auto assignment. This is our test machine, so we keep as is settings, but here you can create as per your customized requirements. Simply you just need to click edit and you can specify everything, like which port, which RDP port you want to enter here to access your RDP, your subnet, mask, default gateway, security group. You can create everything here. So right now this session only for create the VM, so I skip this. For more deep dive into the configurations, we have separate videos, so you can follow that. I move to the next one, the configuration storage, configure storage. So here again we keep as is. You can go to advanced and you can customize the storage as well. Then everything is set up for the new instance for VM, Windows VM. Now you can launch instance. I simply just click launch instance. You can see instance is successfully created. Simply you need to create instance. Here you can see our VM instance is created successfully and it is running. So wait for a minute. Status check is initializing. You can see everything here, like alarm status, availability zone, public IP, before DNS, everything you can see here. We did not enable monitoring, so it shows disabled. You can see the launch time and the platform of operating system here. Now we try to take access for this VM instance. First net state. Okay. We are good to go. You just need to click on instance ID, then connect, RDP client, download remote desktop file, save it, then you can specify username. Now we need to run the RDP file, connect, then now we need to click on get password. Here we need to upload the private key which we download while creating the VM instance. APL test, open, decrypt password, copy password, paste it here, click OK. Yes. Here you can see our VM instance is successfully logged in.